5 ways rich people make money with debt. Debt is used to purchase items that you cannot afford to pay cash for right now. Many individuals are afraid of term debt. There are a number of television shows, books, and magazines dedicated to helping individuals get out of debt. Even in the face of a worldwide epidemic and economic instability, current low interest rates may tempt you to take on debt. Is it, however, the best choice for you as you strive toward your financial objectives? Let's find out in this video. Hello, future billionaires. Welcome back to The Wise Touch. The word debt has gotten a bad rap in recent years, but the truth is that not all debt is bad. In fact, some sorts of debt can be beneficial. Nevertheless, it is a myth that debt is always bad. In fact, it's typically the best, if not the only, method to increase your family's wealth. Going even further, good debt is one of the most effective methods to begin leveraging the power of your money and creating passive income streams that will help you build genuine wealth. Few individuals would buy a home or be able to use their high wages to start creating their empire if they were not in debt. There are a variety of approaches to debt management that can help you generate long-term wealth. You may also debunk the myth by strategically using debt to increase your wealth. Here's how to do it. 1. Consolidation of debt. You're definitely paying considerably more in interest and fees for several loans than you need to be. Increasing your mortgage and using the extra income to pay off other inefficient, bad debt like credit card bills and personal loans, for example, may frequently benefit you. Your home loan payments will remain the same, but you will be paying off higher interest debt with a reduced interest rate. 2. Taking out a loan to invest. Borrowing to invest in real estate or stocks, also known as gearing, may be a powerful way to increase wealth over time by allowing you to buy more investments than you might otherwise. After interest and other costs connected with the loan have been taken in, gearing can offer a better total return if your investments improve in value over time. The asset's capital growth and revenue can also be used to repay the debt, plus interest and fees. The interest paid on the debt may be tax deductible as well. 3. Increasing the efficiency of your savings. Many people choose to retain money in a cash savings bank account as emergency reserves or a buffer, since it gives them a sense of security. In reality, this money would be better placed in an offset account tied to your mortgage. You'll receive a larger after-tax return while also shortening the term of your mortgage, all without putting any money down. 4. Debt can be used to launch or purchase a business. Do you have a wonderful business idea but can't afford the necessary equipment or space? Do you want to purchase a franchise in a fantastic location? Although some businesses may be started with as little as a few hundred rands, many others will demand more than you have in your bank account. People who desire to establish, purchase, or expand a business can get loans from banks, financial organizations, and government entities. Yes, there will be some red tape involved in the application process, but if you do your study and write a sound business plan, you may qualify for a loan with a reasonable interest rate. Grow your firm, pay off the debt, and in a few years, you'll not only be building a valuable legacy for future generations to inherit, but you'll also be an inspiration to others. And if you hire people, you'll be helping others make money and build wealth, which is good for the economy. 5. Debt recycling. Debt recycling is when you pay off your mortgage and utilize the equity you've built up to invest in stocks or other real estate. The bad debt transforms into good debt that may generate money and be used to pay off the loan while also giving tax benefits. Any extra money may be put toward your mortgage to help you pay it off faster and save money on interest. So now that you know how to use debt to increase your wealth, start making plans. You don't have to complete everything at once or in a rushed manner. Take your time, plan ahead, understand how you'll utilize debt to build generational wealth, and always be sure you can afford the loan installments. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe. Otherwise, you will miss our next interesting finance education video. That's all from Wise Touch today. Thanks for watching.